What's up, YouTube? Making a video about a project I'm working on with the Portland Baroque Orchestra in Great Arts Period. It's a really interesting recording. We are here at the Red on Salmon Street in Portland, Oregon. And I want to take you inside and show you some of the cool stuff we are doing, some of the cool techniques I'm using. This is a chamber music recording, string quartet plus an upright bass and a harpsichord. Oh crap. As you can see, this is a really cool space. This was a foundry where they were doing big metal work. It is a big boxy space with concrete floors and wood panel walls and some wood beams on the ceiling. And this big thing I should show you for video cameras. We are using the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema. We've got a couple of 6K and one 4K. And here is our harpsichord. I'm doing a mix of close miking and hall miking. For hall mics, we've got a matched pair of Mojave Audio MA301s. Those are large diaphragm multi-pattern condensers. They're about 21 feet away from the performers, probably about 14 feet in the air. Those are set to Omni. And as a main mic, we have our Royer SF12. And that is hung all the way from up here. And hanging that up is actually really easy. You just climb up this beam, and then you climb over, and you drop the cable down. So that's just like another day in the life of an audio guy. What? It's no big deal. You just climb up 36 feet up to the ceiling. I'm not liable if you try to climb on the ceiling. Yeah, so the stereo ribbon right here is getting our two violins, our cello, and our viola, some of this harpsichord here. But also for close miking, I've got a pair of matched Octava Mod cardioid microphones set in an XY. This is a coincident stereo pair right here. On the cello is a Michael Jolie modified Octava Mark 105. That is a cardioid large diaphragm condenser. And then on the bass is a Octava MKL 2500 tube microphone. That is a cardioid large diaphragm. All those cables are very neatly tucked into this rail here. You can hardly even see. It's under this tape. And then that feeds this snake over here, which goes all the way back to our True Systems Precision 8 preamp. And here's how this setup is running. We've got our Royer left and right here. We've got cello, bass, harpsichord left, right, hall, left and right. The Royer left and right are feeding into this Revive modified Art Pro VLA 2. And a lot of people will tell you do not use any compression in orchestral music and in chamber music, and generally speaking, I agree. But there are certain circumstances where about 3 dB at a 2-to-1 ratio and a 12 millisecond attack can actually be quite nice, especially through a well-done tube compressor like this one. I don't recommend that for everybody, but I like it. And then everything is getting recorded at 96K in our Zoom F8N. From there, we've got our top shelf Behringer HA400, and that's just feeding these headphones here. That's feeding the scoring desk over here. And that's the whole thing. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to post in the chat. Here's our camera guy, Madison, getting ready, practicing for some camera moves. This is real professional stuff here. This is the best camera guy in Portland right here. And here's why.
Beards on wheels.
Beards on wheels, oh my god. Roller derby.
If you have questions about any of these techniques that I'm using, go ahead and post them in the chat. If you have questions about our roller skating camera person, I'm sure you could find him. Thanks for watching.
Okay, let's do it. Can we roll sound, please?
Rolling?
Roll cameras.
Rolling.
Jamie, go ahead. E major, movement 3, take 1. Stand by. Great. Action.